Welcome to Drip Farm Technology, guys, and we are DFTS Digitals. Here we are building a spray race for camels, and this is a collection of materials from pictures. In any irrigation setup or a spray race pressure is very, very important. And here we've got a pressure sustaining valve. This is it, fitted with solenoid valve. We are going to use to sustain pressure in the line. Yeah, I've fitted two pressure gauge just to read the pressure on the higher end of the line and lower end of the line. I don't need the solenoid valve, so I'm going to remove it from the sustaining valve, from the valve, and you can see it in the next picture. I've actually removed it. That's it. So then from here I'm going to demonstrate on how to set the sustaining valve once it is installed in the line. Here we have the pump and we have the pressure gauge in the line. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to switch off the water. You can see water from the line. I'm just switched off the water from the line. Then you can see the pressure is going up in the pressure gauge. It's about 4 bar. So what happens here, I'm going to open, I'm going to the pump, then I will accelerate the pump so that we can build the pressure, more pressure within the line. Then what happens when you build the pressure within the line, then you've set your solenoid valve or your sustaining valve at a particular pressure, it will eventually open. So I'm just going to show you that as you've increased the pressure on the other side, the valve will eventually open. So the valve is just going to open. You can see the pressure gauge on the higher end of the line where the pressure is built up is going up slowly. As I accelerate the pump, there I'm going to accelerate the pump, and here I'm trying to demonstrate. You can see the pressure gauge is now, as it goes up, the valve will eventually open. Give it now, there it is. It is going up to about 6 bar, then the valve eventually opens. So that means the valve opens to relieve enough pressure from excess pressure from the line, so that you can safeguard your line. And this is so that when the pressure within the line is just within the range you've set it, the valve will not open. It will be closed. But once it goes above what is set, 5 bar, in our case here is 5 bar, the valve will be open throughout, so that it can release excess water back to the line reservoir, back to the tank. In this case it's going back to the tank because this is treated water. So but you see, when you open the line, the valve will eventually stop. The valve is going to eventually stop. You can see it has stopped, and now it means the water is flowing. You can see the pressure gauge, it has gone back to 0, indicating it's okay. You can see the end product. So our setup, this is our spray race. The camel will be going through all those will go through the spray race, and eventually it will be washed. And that is it. We are testing the spray race here for our client out of the country. After we've tested it, we are going to send it to a different country from here in Kenya to our client. This is the first spray race ever made, I guess, in Kenya, and first, if I suppose, in Somalia. So you can see this is myself washing myself, testing the system if it's working efficiently. Thank you again, guys. Please, you can see the plus on our video. Kindly tap so that we can subscribe and have more videos like this.